Sesame Street, television's longest-running children's program, turns 49 years today. And for almost 50 years, since the first day that the current run of the show has been on the air, Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch were played by none other than Caroll Spinney. And last month, Caroll made a hurtful announcement that he will be retiring from the show that we all grew up with. And that really broke my heart because I was one of the kids who grew up with Caroll doing the voice of Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch. And they were all my favorite characters. Mostly Big Bird because he's my favorite character and he still is today. And I felt so emotional that he made a special quote in all of the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. He stated, "Before I came to Sesame Street, I didn't feel like what I was doing was very important. Big Bird helped me find my purpose. Even as I stepped down from my roles, I feel like I will always be Big Bird, and even Oscar once in a while. They have given me great joy, led me to my true calling, and created a lifetime of memories that I will always cherish forever. Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch will be played by his understudy, Matt Mojo, but the street will never be the same without Caroll. I speak for all of us, the Sesame Street fans and graduates, when I say we'll miss you, Caroll. And thanks for everything. It's been a great ride being with you. Enjoy your retirement, and happy 49th anniversary, Sesame Street."